Today we're doing a full setup of the 23Zero Onyx 270 awning with the wall kit. Got the wall kit over here on the table. The two extra poles that come with the awning are here. There's a little goodie bag with tie downs and tent stakes that come with the wall kit and with the awning. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to set up the 23Zero Onyx 270. It sets up very quickly, about a minute and a half. Just take your cover off. You got 3 straps that are Velcro. Just undo them and let them fall. And then there's a little bag right here. In this bag you can keep your electrical cord for the lighting. Just going to stick that on my spare tire. And you've got 2 tie-down kits. I love these tie-down kits, but they don't sell them as options. So I'm going to take the end with the hook on it, just a hook by itself. And you've got a webbing hook and a metal hook right here. I'm going to click on the metal hook. And we're going to walk this around. I'm just going to hook it on my roof rack. And then because I'm carrying my boat on the roof, I've got to pull down on this a little bit and just cinch that up. So that's one side done, and then come around this way. We're going to grab our other tie. And again, I'm going to find the hook by itself. Pull this one out. Again, there's a webbing loop and then there's a metal loop. I'm going to connect to the metal loop. Now, I'm just going to pull this around. When I open up my other Peregrine Pro 180, I just decided to connect this to that and pull those two together. But if I'm just opening this one up by itself, I'm just going to hook it to the bumper and then just pull. So that's set up. What you can see is you've got a full setup right there, no poles, and that's how we're going to do it most of the time. But today what we're going to do is we're going to set up the wall kit and we're going to install the poles. First thing I'm going to do is get light underneath here. Come over here. There's only one connector, unlike the Peregrine Pro. These are already pre-wired. So all I do is I plug into that. And then I have a USB on the other end. I've already got my Jackery Explorer 330 V2 set up. So I'm just going to take this, plug it into the USB. I push my power on. And then I can select whatever color of lighting I want from up here. Red, green, turquoise, blue, white. I'm just going to leave it at white. There's, I don't know, 15 different colors in there. So that gets you light underneath. The poles, most of them are attached to the light bars. So you just pull down on that and then they untwist. They untwist from up here. So I'm just going to lift it up a little bit and give it a light twist. This is going to help support the weight of the walls from the awning. So there's not one there. And lift it up a little bit. And then you got one right here. Come around. And then we got 2 that come in a bag. And these can't fold up with the awning, that's why they leave them separate. You'll see it's got a tip on the end. That tip goes right here in that hole. And this one's kind of hard to set up because I have a snorkel. I'm just going to put it there anyways. And now what we're going to do is, you come over here, there's numbers, these little white tags that says number 1. That says number 1, and if we follow it around, here's number 2. So what we're going to do is go to panel 2 is going to go right here. Panel 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is no panel 1 that goes from right here. So I've talked to 23Zero. They said right now it's not in their plans. I'd love to see them come with like a half panel, or even a panel that comes down 5 or 6 feet, or even one that just hangs to the floor. But something like right here would be great, because you've got all this open air space right here when you have the walls on. So now we're going to pull out the walls. If you're looking for the orange, that's what goes on the ground to mount your stakes to. And now I'm trying to find a zipper. So here's a zipper right here, and this is what's going to start right here. Just going to pull up to take the weight off. So that's the first panel in, and then we'll end up staking that out. So now I'm going to grab the next panel. And it helps if you put these in order when you put them in your bag. We decided to start from the front of the truck and work our way back. So we put the last panel in from the back of the truck first. Again, find the orange, because the orange is going to go on the ground. If you look right here, this is going to say number 3. So number 3 goes right there. You see that's where the zipper is. So I'm going to come right here, hook in the zipper. And now you see there's a zipper right here as well. So what this does is it secures the sides together from panel 2 and panel 3. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So there's 2 panels done. Now we're going to get panel 4. Again, I'm always looking for the orange bungee cords, because that's going to be the ground. Here's my number 4, which is going to match up right here. The zippers are right here. Pretty self-explanatory. They did a great job on this. Just lift the weight of the side off so you can get the zipper to work easier. And then here's the side. I'm going to go ahead and connect side 4 to side 3. We got 2 more panels left. This is side 5. Again, I'm looking for the white tag, because that's where the zipper is. I just figured out if you don't zip this panel from the top all the way in, it's a lot easier to get the side started versus having it tight. We got 1 more panel to do. Again, here's the floor. Here's number 6 right here. Come on in. So this kind of gives you an idea how much room is in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to stake these out in the grass in just a minute. I'm not going to be able to stake these out because I'm going to drive on the front yard, but you'll see there'll be enough room. So there you go. That's the Onyx 270 awning with the wall kit. There's 5 panels. So this is panel 2, panel 3, panel 4, panel 5, and panel 6. Panel 6 on the awning allows you to have a access to a rooftop tent, and then 6, 5, 4. So the part of the awning with actually 3 has another access from the side right here if you're going to do side access into a rooftop tent. And again, this is on the passenger side. So the passenger side, the way you tell the difference between a right and a left awning from 23Zero is it's from the back of the truck. So the back of the truck, the right side is the passenger side. If you wanted this awning kit for the driver's side, then you would look from the back of the truck and you would call it a left. There you go.